Hello, here we are. It's another day, probably the beginning of this video. I'm on the middle of the house renovation, so that takes a lot of time, effort, money and everything. Which means I don't have so much time for cars. But you know what? There's still some car stuff that I will make happen, so enjoy watching. But also, next year I'm going to build a garage, so I will finally have some more space and time to work on my cars. But for this moment I need to really focus on the house renovation, which at this point looks like this. Okay, it's been a hard day of work, but we did kind of a lot. There was a wooden ceiling right there. It was hanging on like 25 centimeters. So the room looks much higher right now, and I really like it. This thing, that's kind of interesting, but I'm not going to leave it like this. The interesting thing right there is that there are bricks on the ceiling. Next step is to remove the floor, which will be very easy because there is no concrete at all. Only the very thick tiles, like this. I know it's like 5 centimeters, so pretty thick, and there is a sand under this.
Co zdjęcia robisz?
What? This thing is supposed to make hot water, but it doesn't. It fires up and then turns off after 5 seconds. So, mission for today is to find another source of warm water. Xantia right there. Now I go to help one of my old friends to help with her car. I'm making the brake system on this one from scratch, but I failed with the handbrake, and now I need to wait for the new pump, because now I have this one, which is wrong for my setup. You may ask, why do you need such a pump for a tow truck? So the handbrake needs to stop 4 wheels at the back, right there, and one cable cannot make enough work to stop 4 of these. The idea is very simple. I put the hydraulic e-brake on it and leave the factory brake with cables. They will work at the same time when you pull the lever. Easy as that. With some basic tools, now we can go. So here's Xantia and Mike, and I'm working on this thing. So at this moment I'm just cleaning the exhaust just to help the older woman to pass the technical control of this car, and yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, that's the car. Definitely not perfect, but 2 colors are better than 3. Now I'm just waiting for mirrors, because these are, as you see, not in the very best condition. The other one is the same. Also, I'm going to do some body work on this car. I mean, like a paint works, to make it look correct, because this woman looks like she's emotionally attracted to this car. Because of sentiment, so many memories. She made many road trips in this one with her family, so I kind of get it, you know. It's like most of us like sports cars, but for some people it's like it doesn't have to be sports car. It's just enough that they have some nice memories with that, you know. I'm gonna take it tomorrow to the technical control, and I hope the card will be green. I think I will go there. Already home. So that will be the end of this video, but this mess right there. Tomorrow starting a cleaning day, so this mess that you have seen will be cleaned tomorrow. Also the kitchen, I need to take the blue Citroen to the technical control, and the good news also, the car right there will get new coilovers this week, or maybe next week. So it's Sunday afternoon, so it's a good time to chill out. See you in the next one.